on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making a one-pot ground beef and rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of uncooked long grain white rice, and you want to make sure you rinse it, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 of a medium green bell pepper chopped, 1/2 of a medium red bell pepper chopped, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, and also 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. In a saucepan over medium heat, you're going to add in your 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you want that to come to temperature. Now you want to add in your green bell pepper, your red bell pepper, and also your onion. And we're going to saute that for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, we're going to add in our minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. You can add in your ground beef. We're going to go in and break down our ground beef. You want to make sure it's mixed well with the veggies. Now you want to let your ground beef continue to cook until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Now we're going to add in our Worcestershire sauce, our black pepper, our adobo, onion powder, garlic powder, and our paprika. Go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Next, we're going to add in our rice. Go ahead and mix that together. Make sure it's well combined. You can add in your 2 tablespoons of butter. Go ahead and mix that in. Now you can add in your beef broth. And we're also going to add in some of our dried parsley flakes. Go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, you can give the broth a taste, and if you need to adjust any seasonings, you can do it now. And you want to let it come up to a simmer. Now you can lower your heat to medium-low. You want to place your lid over top. Now we're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so now our ground beef and rice is done. Okay guys, so I'm just going to add a little bit of dried parsley flakes over top. And here we have it, our 1 pot ground beef and rice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon. I got more to serve. Y'all hungry yet?
See you next time. Bye.